Hi, my best friend. Welcome to Psycho Says. How to make a girl fall for you on WhatsApp. When talks take place over WhatsApp, chats and text messages, where it's all too simple to be rejected or accepted, depending on how great your talking tips with a new lady are. Does it appear to be a daunting task to you, to tell a girl you love her on WhatsApp, or at least get her interested in you? Do you wish to tell a girl you love her on WhatsApp, but aren't sure how? Don't worry, my best friend. You will find great tips on how to impress women through WhatsApp in this video. Here are 10 how to make a girl fall for you on WhatsApp. You are my best friend. Support this channel to grow and greet you by pressing the like, subscribe, and good comments button. Have you subscribed? If so, let's continue. 1. Choose an interesting photo display. Selecting a lovely display photograph is the first step to make a girl fall in love with you on WhatsApp status, also known as a DP in WhatsApp lingo. Use your finest selfie, such as a picture of you doing something exciting or a picture of a cool place you visited. Flash your pearly whites with the selfie headshot, including your greatest smile. If you don't want to use a photo of yourself, you might use a favorite comic figure, sportsman, or piece of art as your DP. 2. Knowing her hobbies. You need to understand more about a girl's hobbies by following her on social media before you start a chat with her on WhatsApp. Knowing her hobbies will aid you in initiating and maintaining a discussion with her. Checking up someone's social media pages is now a common component of getting to know them. Look through the social media accounts of the girl you want to impress to get a sense of her likes and dislikes. 3. Build your communication around what you have in common. You can strike up a discussion by telling them about your day. In addition to that, you could make a great comment about things she holds dear to her heart. And so many fun topics to chat with the girl on WhatsApp. You could start by saying something positive about activities you both share. You do not have to fake to enjoy chatting to her. If you like her and want to wow her, you can ask her respondents to indicate that you're interested in learning more about her, and you'll find it much simpler to continue a nice discussion. 4. Message her at the right time. The evening is a perfect time to make a girl fall for you when she has a boyfriend, because most ladies have less activity going on at that time of the day, which makes it easy to steal her heart. And communicating on WhatsApp late at night is a good place to begin. You'll charm any girl you chat with on WhatsApp if you're sincere, bold, and respectful. Moreover, when she goes to sleep, she'll be thinking about you all day long. A good morning message, on the other hand, is a terrific approach to let her know you're thinking about her. 5. Send short but interesting messages. Keep this notion in mind at all times. It is critical to learn how to converse with a girl without boring her with sweet things to say to your girlfriend in a text. Start with a simple greeting such as, hello, or, hey. Perhaps you could tell her things to make a girl blush over text. There's no need to tell her everything if she asks if you've had a good day. Simply express your gratitude. A winner is always short and sweet. 6. Avoid dominating the conversation. Who wants to listen to someone who only talks about themselves? It's acceptable to tell her about yourself, especially if it's related to something she's said, but don't take over the conversation. Instead of talking about yourself, ask her questions. Show her that you're interested in learning more about her. You could inquire about her hobbies, favorite places to visit, whether she has siblings, or her favorite songs and bands, just to keep the conversation alive. 7. Do not talk dirty and inappropriate. Women enjoy being treated as unique individuals, but to make a girl fall madly in love with you online, you should understand that most women despise it when a guy starts talking filthy right away. No girl likes to listen to a nasty person ramble on about obscene topics, you'll never hear from her again as soon as the sun sets. To get started, think about what you want to say and make it playful and entertaining. This will undoubtedly pique her interest and keep her chatting with you. As time goes on, you'll have the chance to take this WhatsApp conversation to the next level. The only appropriate way to go at first is to keep it clean. 8. Compliment her. Mention something specific that demonstrates you've noticed something special about her. Find words to make her feel special. Give her a compliment that demonstrates you are paying attention to her if you want to impress her. 9. Create a funny atmosphere. Girls appreciate a man who can make them laugh, and this is a sure method to impress her without having to work too hard. And humor should never be underestimated, as everyone loves to chuckle, especially when reading messages on WhatsApp. This also contributes to her feeling more at ease and, as a result, more attracted to you. Funnily, making light of yourself is sure to bring a smile to her face as well as pique interest in you. Keep in mind not to go overboard. Humor is fun, but if she gets the feeling that you won't take things seriously, she might be offended. 10. Don't text too often. Be yourself, and remember that not trying too hard is the best way to impress someone. Simply say hello and ask for clarification the first time you text her to get things started. Don't bombard her with tons of messages. Have patience and give her time to respond before sending another message. Remember that if she doesn't reply right away, she might just be busy. Even if she doesn't respond at all, it's not the end of the world. Thanks for watching, my best friend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.